Zaleya Demin Batame Aqualam Banirang and Young Aqualam Bana Bate Amaka Yobanya Nadia Yellow. So chekati azam pawte banam na za duma ngunam duka gasi untin mina za sanye vile katon patala amfedi ko pun kati akana tijinji mopune eti za enfant dem bien zanti samba num kedi jimo kati pu boy inside tamale gaida com tv zo kasa shel kam ne pun yara sham inside tamale nyala program shel ten yihna karanya te gelni tamale to ashaden chenvien ya ne mbo chenvien ya za kati zanti ya kedi zo mi tianang la katare kamare wala to do mo pune because he's a great artist la greatness ma pune ba kan dan ya na te tom to nam so zo min nambe do mo pune ne te zan yala busham zanten yana ene yan gum nyasem katom bang onye ni voso ampai tinang la katare kamare tendia luna munenye Mohamed Alidu cheka no marhabi piana Chief Marhabi that's beautiful tenons also netembala du pour tuli munenye Mohamed Alidu akwen yer sambane no
to nyani voso Mohamed Alidu ngunde be dormala dagbang de chomluna yele
wow
which is the pour l'enfant
okay
son bandani de chomluna liru
wow
so ka bakru yisna dwele mbama bohande long talma biela halet zang pa lo chepolo kan zang le chang lego tamal culture center first and then from culture center to Legon African studies and since then keep moving chentun in la long talma so nyeni so dagba
okay ka wala karkana hal ka tidinam kar yulbone tinbiya lunna wala nin terle kanda yana nan kati yul kamala namaz simsa ko zanta
so yema ya de yin benga henu menu pronda yana zone ka menu pour yebna moile ka menu pour chorluna yel de chorluna yel pourwa banam balama banan zurma yema longshel den tital kamale tong dueluna yel wa nye ndayana nyemka ntaha dagbang tulumbe banku yisna nyer lumbe ntaha mbazanye ni muso mu nyerle bohan veyela ka bazan le nyer dagbang zan le chan sambane en America to America ma jima mi kanima no konko kan nto nyera in China Europe in China different countries Europe ma kama let's say London Germany Spain Italy so lama ka ndanya na nyerze la video numa ka kara bohne kara man mure te dagbang broma chenim polo kare de tour nyama
okay
les jours de Simpson me tout ma la yule ka bazan la gora ko to di bonma yula ya dama
yes
de nyebe charnen zan son de dagbang
of course wow that's beautiful anang style of music shelma pam timi pam kabanye lunse kayisina bobnang la style of music but chanting different team wula ka de kana ka sutata ne kama nyiyan nan yilama la swelin tuna zan le dole
so yema nyare ban shakama nanda de samsika bang la venyala kama long tellement mami timi ti yanam kalbo be timi yanam kalbo the big difference kache amilung ma nyabo amilung ma gbabo amilung ma gbabo amilung dol ma gbabo the big different so ma instead ya ben shazan patlung ma de nye ben shaw ay go dunia anya ka dunia ne tan kamaliya de instrument de ban kumdele tan kamaliya babban merba kuma can malila de sanya kafshap mer ben shaw tambon no kora
okay
be a can Senegal anya kora ni ma to ay kana Ghana ka kana dagban long
Kanya, wow.
so long ma manelle long ma da mere sound kar mera ma ka sound ma silmin sitia ne melody
Okay.
sound ma de melody ma da nya ben chartan yine yilama
Yes.
zan de tune shell yine yilama
Wow.
de zama nya ben charana to zan la step up into no la in zan le create ben chan de to zan la ke dunia ne because pompon ay bo hambane kalma bo ma biya da ko kace agbana tare na raison le don social
okay
so long tellement man bo long tellement ama kagbala nyel kaman ne bisambana ma mere different other bankumda kaman palongo drums xylophone agbaja drums de sahel benam ben yara kan sa ben yara commence ben yara bankumda balama so elera wala kayen nan to sang ba longma blana den ka man bana to lamna ban sha because niveau you know ko to melonga mem ba ba ya niveau you know ko to mel so man nirba na helan ka ba be yana ngba ba yibi yana avec la de sa resumse ne ti tab dan fan so yan wo ne malalo chapeau ne to wo be shab ban sha kam no to support kan ba bo ban sha ba yama ba to support so music den ne sham de sumse ka to inspiration ma ba yibur ban sha inspiration ben sha zan creator ma yam golangama da something da dan bihra
of course
the something your inspiration should be up
of course
should awake the something yam golangama kam sharp
okay so nde pombo ha tule ayelle biara ampile ye poloka la type of talking drums mama kar to zan a page kama gobo pune yana ya kar to zan a cha
to ne start kaman be a professional level Ghana Dance Ensemble Kancham, which is West African Studies Legon to nimana kabra bore ben merba no warba you come National Dance Company ma beto nang so ka nda sena application letter ka ba invite ma sa handa bi akra kan cham nta halunga kan da nya ben charnes large da halunga ka professor ma stop ma ka bo hanu bumbo kan bo nan mi ka ku nan happy ma yeba ma ya ku chaka so nyagungon kan golga ba ma no ku mi one to no ko ya na tichela kanin cham tijine so tam ko jinin tipa the following 2 weeks ka bol man started to lego so la kan da started so this all long ma da nya ban shaw in zoom na pale ka ban kama long ma da nya ban shaw bane yanam nan kazalam bakatim bakam bagba nan katite so ben zang le so zang le chang kama so many countries America can base Kadnam live in London 8 years but come on maybe few countries in the world can nation chang nimane Brazil Spain Lordene tonkam zan long chang hello it African countries that chang Uganda 2 years ago kanya longa mele dole niveau bramere be yeba yara kan nyalong ma nyena nta halne zon bana sabrma yelma na bore longa nan ko senam balong se ka ba kum mal kamene kama wande nta labna to ba sha so ni salam mal ben sha de le jamle because aba misambane so in terms of longma so true longma can create melodies in sabran yilanama so yilsha ben ka mere yilanama nirbe de pala ben shano ana mi wumle lo shepherd because true longma can create the person copy can be copy so
okay and apile nyimama kama ni salim yeto dirato chwasa kwa ne maybe ana shinye sonu pon na no share watato so ni mama gba ikwa nan le de mala and waste your time
some so la yamande yara we lot of comment challenges da bien challenges bien kana ko bien because ana min pelo shepo kana bana yin din ma una ni na local donc shela ko no asu piede shela tu pat mo ka gbaza nyara be ka larga long ngwami ka bana kama no ben shag bana gbo mo de diamda and then lampate yamande yara ta Africans be kama bu ya timal ben shata be tinin betara come on hale young Ghana Accra sometimes na me yam book show lo shepolo ka it's a local drumming thing ko lehla de
karmala de kabuka
in terms of the world music intaha yemande den yera I would say, come on, most of the talking drum music in Wumda is near number one, then there's number two.
Yes, of course. Of course.
So, Tungwana, Tidibu value come on to traditional instruments, they're not important, but in the Western world, Kasai, they're not very important because they educated Bame in a different level.
Wow.
A way to come on, Benye de Lombe. Gonje ko merno
yeah, of course man kay to abehmbara
yes
of course so far Amal album through music okay and, so how many albums so far
and no first one that no Asisawa wanda bola Asisawa nda busia no go tuniane mbo hambanshama so awuma Asisawa awum katin banshawa Kete from Ashanti region.
Okay.
Agbaja from the Ewe region.
Okay. This Avotamba.
Okay. Kache Sichi from the Fanti.
Okay.
Kana nchete da Gwamba yero because ne join the National Dance Ensemble Legon. Nte I pila companies ma. Badi be chaka anunda yebe yerako. Because they have to see commander repun yema
you need to be versatile
so la ben mara chan kam bohamba yera pam can appreciate it because that helped me to understand a lot of music especially in Ghana alone because music in Yewula kamanti yongo tin merti torasham the malay timing kar no different kache ka commence be understand
okay
so hala wo le de nyebo shila wo time man de so nyeni to chant bo commence ali ay gwenma en 40 at least it's a blessing one time and it's a blessing so to nyer tuma pam kaman non de come on maybe soundtrack and being recorded music video into Shabakar Kunya because the mini time and woman based on the palm to create rhythm.
Oh wow,
you know.
Wow. So poika appli la so kara yultu ka so pede pune be nyimama nda kujetinya kama I have to do music and near no music ma talking drums mo kan bon nzampili.
Yeah. So because I parle pas maintenant question share because mami sebene just by them mbaranya longa ka yinde yila pam ka merlong ma pam but the simskan le surrounding him what also fit be bon chardin ba nan kan ba to buy comfortable in my own world. So it's very good question. Ti longsma mi longsi yini yila kamera. Ama niveau songo inspire ma kan le nda be London last time. So ka longma tam kam to mera longa dans non d'un programme bébé. Kakuye to longma bon ba pour the next level. Work so one day katra tenomal production shirka so yelma no omale contract no chance Senegal ka contract mani okonku kam muno male assignment netno tagba project so ko borne wi yelba ya bay borno kana Senegal shelang ba because wi chanka chama ba project ma bien de go yira so ka o yelma lama kan yo that's good this ko chanti yabanka ka yiro ne kaman transportation man high taba ama ko yelma ni niveau so music ko nya musician da bolo no ka non choreography the national dance group toy with them which is a musician named Yusundo from Senegal.
Wow.
So on yelma la wow yerdina no nice because la nirma yema ya umyo music national life national video ba lo chapolo so kan yelin zoma wundo music dina no nice so ko try ka bahen nar kunane ne shi mu karmo nar mu ko tocha so ka ticket da ba ne to mu ta kamna ta le shoma bi kana ko kana ban kana da shoma da no ya London Apollo Theater bu bon la Apollo Theater so the Hammersmith Malama Karbi very big theater na also got to pay treasure come on maybe third second level da balama ka on the duna stage ka ban ma ban mera ka so mera longbla bonel tama
okay
in Mali Senegal wow nyima zoma da merle nda yisme zane
kar duwa
ya nda yisme zane kan yi tellement formation kan no wa kan no yesu nya be shaw
am bona
no life in the dunya
wow
ka tana kan yi longma yelun mere longa ma no longma de tmala yo yan mai kaman yelman kaman longma ne to zan le chang tourner nan de ben shaw
wow
so that is how I start so my music kaman so yem bohma what level mun ka borna to nin sala ku to be kaso ko be ak level I would love to be like you should donate be live also mere music share that's what tam kam ko wana on tmala bansam shelo madama because la bansam o yetolmo yer Senegal the wall of and down do melody champagne yerma nin salam come on now the music music I'm born
kaba bil ko no
la afama now zang music too so that is a niveau so nil lehre dunia ne ka wow
okay
so far as he keep doing it I'm gonna keep doing what
okay that's beautiful so chekan so ka into fo comme ka la so abel kam ka yuna garo comme TV zone bon inside tamale de chan kanta ten labna Yelnunda, na we yelnunda, ziyutaba. On the maison du Sénavia, sans les toucher d'able, gazon toucher d'able, sans les toucher navio, yelnunda, yelnunda. Okay, so to vo koma kala na mi sama me na nyala ngombi dumo pune tenduya luna yes yila mako okunan karko longma ko mi hale ka ndanya na mama ninte ta ko bolo na te to nam de sare we hana ka kyar go ni rambala ma yes check lab na arier album et toi so far arier ni how many albums ka
yes as a Sawa then Land of Fire the all in one love then Yedanaya and then be
Yedanaya ma manager nyala ngunso yula particular album de baba la yilama if you can tell us more about la Yedanaya pampo do you zo pamka yada shirku nage how do you come by that
okay so to my long c'était merma you have to pay attention to comment ben champion de something that is abiar comme merlon comme ma ye to champion te lombe pam ak banda ten tuntu zan le diran fan pam ko la yada na ma danye da kem dawune yulinda balama so ma sometimes tin merlon se kat tin mele de hitir ma kaman bule da nan wula karda kana ko to bol yuma aya bo ko te lon se ne mera be na be te mun ba na be bilcin ka ba bona yuma ban shan yin nan kala na ma kazan la bol yulma so la tamal ni me yilma la tamsha ko drana mu ka alhre Ghana be in general Ghana kan ko yel ko to be ga tamal be Ghana
of course
to sometimes min mala kawla nin vo shaba kan betahna la nirmana na ba sha dan ko tanala so alhre de malya dabiam so maminya ni vo so telonse hala chan other country come on near Senegal, Mali, because the Manba Mali culture that is similar.
Okay.
The Manba Kalang
Malatama, wow.
I challenge man to Bohalonso be yeah, the memory of Africa.
Okay.
Lonsonye Bantira.
Tira, of course.
Bantira ye bleaching them. wo tanyara kan mer yushanga no la yuma kemo munaza
ya kabiel
nya bo so mantira me anwa ayabanda yelshel mo nizo ayama minda yelshel nyo gba yabndara yelshel nyo gba yamira da yelshel hal ko gba tkananti yelmo nizo ye tola nyel wazu nyel zantim munaza ne te zan la ye tolma non to sul kan levi la ye tolma so ti yana ma braba sabra
yes brako memorialize la ye to anma ba
so lungsma nda nya ban sabra tirba ko ne yel no lungsma kama ma yel maybe mbami ayanum nya sha ye shelna ama ya jon ka yel ma ne ayya kumbuna bi ayya savluguna there's a history behind kan yel kan mama ana abamile bi amila ma kuto yel ne yel shema so rezo to lon setnya yi eblichin man sabra bukunuma katena reader le back tirba ko ni nyam vola yul kama mele yulma melody ne way format de tilungma nya tam kam den kay nyarna anyala bo de sama marsa nyen signature balama man le sable reader la tira because ni reader le ni be reader lanta man ya man la reader ta so le ni to lon sene za sham ko al recently teacher akra ne non program sha ka ve ne lons ne sorry kini man ne noise kan men la nirma mirnang bankin ka yo yen noise ma nyam problem ayer man train me lonsi a office ngumia go se office ama don't say it's a noise because to be mirma in the melody this the yere to
yes wow
so nye yilsha sabra because nti ye to shel na so ne yele kala ye to adana important ma tan banyarle ama kare de banyara dirti be kat nan de ben chan kare affaire
of course so things is a shemo so to be samba ne ko ni kumya ne onya but talking drums ye to akat ko yara mama anto non le nkul danle for some time to take a solo ma di enfant
to
okay
too long the side so neng me shira mama long kam ka kunya long kam la long ma da sim ko mela ko long ma ndamle ndam long ma na ka klo yanma albu ko nirbata it's okay because that present that me long ma ndam ma nyawula afak po Quran marché lo non bismillah so te baza bismillah katanama kana yal besha me am fada yule na on mbara yel me longma ko long yule nyam ne na on ne yurso zamba bagbaro so nda longma kay ne pam ne da pala liru na on yurso zamba bagbaro kay ngum pa o brother zab lona zab go zakale bila mando biya kan wana wumpum bal chubga ni nirwon jangon kanda tumtumsa
o bila mano biya kan wana
wumpum bal chubga
donc tu ngun lan ka baban
so anyala
wow
so kayela o ngumba pose o brother lona mahmo na woni sabban shaw nin sal ku tole pamba yelgo de ko zel sole
wow
ayabo sola nirba tama kaza te brother wonda kbalante fada ka kane ka no bien zon lu na salfo ne suro mal nyor pam suro mal nyor de bobuntu ayarabo kana so whatever next kayan me
so an me shelmo zaha ka yare to shelma shabyan sambanne ka karna to wum ka understand an me shelmo kapalun se
so nan me shelmo ya ni yanum kan kalma so akan yanum ne la yuyama ko understand maybe you understand you shall ben kan ibal yel no ko malma asmun malma nyele de pone ko one of the human balma so anto wumla ka okay we bada dan palam other ones ma ka pamana yela le because to long sitin mershama like let's say tiel ne de tumkana wonya dan garnin salnam nyaw te brothers ma yulam balma so imagine dan merma ka yimedum anyabo so nyela demre tumuka na onya dengarnin salam nim yelo nin salam nyabo I begin for because nyela shama is different
okay
amika suko na mimbola yulma akutu abanymerla because
ayala look shepo ni yubaye na kumala be we
yubaye no kumalma asmun malma
okay the team one of musicians who that usually la to yin kan ban understand who ye shama ban tije wow
so ayala bo so la maybe o malia soko family ko mala yulma ko so I ka soko a family ko mala imela be understand
wow
kalon me be ben sha the understandable tin yer shama be de ko kad de
nyawo karba be
de ko
okay
ko ben sha tin mer a parlo ma la melody you can just speak like come on tin yer shama tum kana onya dengarnin sal nyabma imela is gonna be so with the melody ma tum kana wonya dengarnin sal you know if you are not a musician you cannot understand
it wow
I kala musical yeah ma aku understand
so do you know that I know the music share mama the mala nyunkulu nirbu ka ku yina te zangna lungma ka gerterba ngorba kama lungma ne yarsham do you see that way
of course that's very because you know bayer pambiana imere lunga ma ka minikman okay tinmer ben shama de simsika lung be shabian ka ba understand de gbenne
yes
tinmer rhythm sharma de gbenne because ba ko answer me
okay
obami lungma de yashama abang labo so sometimes bara ku to forcing nirno wono be sha cuz jaman shaltam bioma ninsa kamala ben sha so kamala be ego sharing bebe so je me chaka en quarto de manière comment
I am you yes it's true
so true la be rama kuto bad de longtemps mala fan de shel pam comment il y a recently new album shel kana karengina a few months down 14 ans les chang Morocco because in that changa Morocco ka feel the rhythm changa ka tongwana ka tagba mere rhythm la so kan chang ka te record yil shel ka usura rhythm ka bornam chaka Morocco na manyen bel ka bagba na pungum le ka ven ne rhythm wana yabi yana mai de yang bayana la kan ne so to long talma na be shama the mala different rhythms
okay
ama to ku kanan to cross the shell
yeah
ka tinmer banwoti ya wala kar kana karti be choka so is amalanya music you need to connect
yes
so man musical background the pala come on to make advertisement for some the usually provisional stuff they come and go no it's a traditional cultural music to bring people together to understand one another we are all coming from the same place but imagine come on Susan 40 miles away. Zongo te malphone ka te dirfila. So la ta ma wala ka ben dirfila. Shilo kreto ye to. O maman la ye to understand each other. La nyele. Slavery bente mal Jamaican part ma through the slavery the Jamaican part because nimvo shaba mitma babu wum de tabiya. So there they have to create a language among themselves.
They check out to bane to boilango to jengo. Wow. So let's proceed with just
okay.
Because my mama Ningmiar candidate will no be samba na gwaza he's waiting to see maybe
so then ya so try na Yedanaya Soro Nideti Yedanaya Soro Nideti Sensanye lozos kachender kwana not dazole Sensanye lozos kachender kwana not dazole Zolden kadabu Zolden kadabu Zolden kadabu Zolden kadabu So wakati name I need to have the melody that can fit with so with the other instruments they say that the piano can get its line everywhere so through the talking drama because Loma the mama is flat. Mehma zadem bialma denianta melody, but the melody is coming from your heart. The pala ben shakat is on Loma na ka tola karianta sound shele. Ka maybe keyboard na dwe ka ekpale marmale sound. The mongra nyini en create sound ma yina. So lona nyerma so kamali o tune.
So kama yesh it means that so yam bwan long. Sheila bo wa mema ai gbangu ka gbangu denianta sound shele mo.
So the baza hal de kadene. Now so tin merlon sma so anye shabene bien bad more so bien ko bale piena so comme nous bale cham karatu vum because vum ma kazan de creature melody ma karayirna but kama yesho along that's another level of kala simsin de tek bazan ta hankan instead de longma so malaben so comme nek ba long ya da longma de simsin kar because Niang Bale make sure that Longma the Simpson are connected in Suma because melody shall kadana paya Suna ka melody ma so the yetam come bezang long tale be malong the long boy make sure it's right it's tuned to what I want it to be.
So let's proceed to album Beyalia. Beyalia is another track from you. And so I want to hear that particular song again.
Batme Tamane san yosema Nkana ye pambabi Yeti san yosema Nkana ye pambabi
nang martang what do you to be any at the mona the shimmer at the shimmer at the be at the song concert down be at the song concert down
Yes. I like to say, come on, the other day I have a conference and so you're journalists be all right to me, but you know we have so much come on to the bank color.
Yes.
Continue to and try and creating many ways of making the history.
Yes.
As come on, the bank color, come on. It's education.
Yes.
Into the bank camp. Malia education karabi yanga.
Yes.
Karkasku kanya yang karabi.
Yes.
Nzantiti yana mani yeli to shangamaza. Abona some music na manto kupo history na yakaza history. And to sub a lot of music out of it.
So yeah, bro, can then the mala kama I'm the second one who shamlan chamshamwa chakat love dire better my different one ya katna love tiki you and the bang no karen chena na che titi na atazanga kana bat te la pour chérie ya te chama chama boisson na na ba chatra u ja
the more the new one sharing kana ka to never release it. So until this is the first day you hear it.
Wow,
so
wow, wow.
It's a little bit different.
Yeah, so je vais dans le baka.
Aboko kakuku kwale anenemi aboko kakuku kwale anenemi sanambayanuni kadole na poni sanambayanuni kakatia na poni zayembelanuni de garkogni pia zayembelanuni de garkogni pia anenemi aboko kakuku kwale anenemi aboko kakuku kwale anenemi Koya kawana kangaria kawana ai koya chi kachere chi ya ai bianya kajirianya o anenemi ya aboko kakurku kwale anenemi.
What you rep is what you sow. So,
exactly.
Okay. What you sow is what you rep. Yes, of course. It's not easy. It's not easy. I could to shinka fakati ngare it's not possible. An artisan anu no bembahe kaka doya na pona bene hay ana pona ben ma ku guys kawla zaingadem bia anu ma de maran fan garda. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, the message is very touchy. Yes. Okay. Let's come back. Amala Shukuru Kariuni Boni
Bison School of Music and Dance. Yes.
Ulaka Asurata Ka Palala Shukuru.
Okay. So It's very, very interesting question to the point that today the feel share but the yell nirwana nyare come your inspiration need to be awake.
Okay.
To school come na upon because in the US and on the classes come on classes we long me about we drums me about so kakujia ntihasone you come on mdibi chan school pam ama ben jardin mouvement kan pierre ne tient lo chepromanie longma so how can I give that hope to others to understand hala kul bi chan school kamal tumban sam
then
yes
wow.
The world need that service too so can start classes ma kayer ne ba yem bonne music school dagbam and so bonne non their classes man race lore me school ma so hakalan kakana gana wanted the drums come on about 15 drums kan da balongo drums ne jimbe desara ku is 15 kan jile laba to start classes ma so alzumba dal shele kan da ko je kan yikalan su kolma ko mira changa Madagascar La Tamanda be London, Katiji London and Chang Madagascar for 8 months.
Wow.
Kabatuma concert shell marka non le stadium. Ka concert madra pala live band yeto. Amanda create 2 drum set mierba. Bon mier drum set ma kick drum. Ne bang bon mier percussion ben te nearby. So katakuzi am kumer rhythms. For la festival ma Madagascar ka so mare video tema so kan she love na US kale zanti la studio yebe edit so to be the editing ne ka Friday ma kan so ku yi California kana sane on kana ni mane nti bor equipment no da kanya video ka ban no guy ngol ka zuma yiro no iperlana na bu bondo la alidu no na borno mitu ko call ma kana to meet ni meet guy ma yule bone Mark Johnson meanwhile Mark Johnson nye mo ngel the dunia ne recorder every music street musicians
wow
so ko no nya production shalon nangda so the viel pam na mono nang la ben ma nanda pai ma yana pai ko tuma date na November 7 ba mala program Denver des jours de samse nan Canada ne may od no nice ko ya ne ka bo nan de biana sibro may o man ban tien jeme café shel so o bay no fronto kana c'est pas yonga ko kana ay kat ko me music ti en music shanaza ko no happy pam halka yiso wa ne bia la ko love California on love ka kipentach internal love na bolda kati hanga ko yelma no projection yelma no bornam pahede no man no ni na tem performance yes so that to cut everything short to kujia performance ma de ma name ka nervous musicians
la na chekan kana anye anyele to ashemu
yes
di danye yon arabe nyela opportunity yes te gban sabla tin cham te parlo shekulo because o kamna studio ma pune ntinye something beautiful about you
yes
ko you kama ini to di tap dan fan ko ye studio ma lana ngole bon ko ye is my friend ko ini to abol mo to wallahi dinye yon de ben non yes
I believe you.
I'm telling you.
So on Bolman Yamalia Tenku Chang La Dema Kapitana meeting in the morning. Every musician we need to rehearse. So Kababor never supported Yila Yilshel Kanda me Kambole Salabe.
Okay.
Zomleni Sala Tokuzome Sala Pala Niri. So La Yilama ka oyel no ne say me yulshel mban manda mirmanda me yulshel no bornet me as just for the whole band everybody to play with their song because so feel like you know
beti anala
so ka be ye mic shell na like mic ma right the mic ma cost $15,000 but they want to try it with our rehearsal so I should play the song singing to the mic and that is where Commander Pointer said the inspiration shouldn't be asleep so la yilama start kan me yilama kan yilama katukumele from top hala inti karku de kunu walam tinna la kasukami bahnu kab tinaga ben shakam mpa yon kata kunante jine everybody more than 40 people na te dibandirgo ko zan yilma tanda mieshilma no recorded kaso kam fo ka yilma yile me dagbal le kanda yina ko ene yilo ma ne reta chomo so much ko be mi o nonsense since then nta den teacher Bison School to be Mbalama. Because since then, Mark Johnson and Obelma Kayama, you are my brother, and I want you to be my brother forever. So through that, Kamuno could pay for different countries, go to Burma, Nabumbo Kamborama, and this is what my dream was. I was hoping to give the life back to my home because I can see what I've been through. Maybe to send my school. So can try no matter what. Come on to later to you no. So but whatever opportunity man be lost man I was on the team because nara ben jardin dir mama so can you ko ya no then we have to do it until manera zanga idea ma timem school ma back to my home mbona me school land idea ma ko zan no ogba so ne mer schools man to different countries kache zo until Bison School nda nan second because nera zanga idea ma na ko yelma ne ba ponchanga South Africa until ben shatin so man ne yele to shelma den kavian zan palbe muno dal kawle so in chaka be miengun din ma fes kakana din ma deso and Bison School da ne fes ama kabe ne cha benon South Africa so benon South Africa school na Bison kavkana kam mene o brother kana yongo kateltele se benye polo lonche polo maman polo nera dame zan madana den katra gbage part of it and that is how Bison School come.
Wow, that's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
So what exactly came on
Bison School? So Pilgo un kat long tellement ka behma bohande long sing mebo bohande gungwang ma mebo and bohande traditional wahma because nimane nimpoloma kamana be US kanya drummer kanya dancer I be mideza Atuma no limited because I not to wait, but maybe they only have a funding to pay one person.
Okay.
So I know to me kawa.
This is nearby.
Am I yell na kutu me antowa be ana to me akutuwa the washila bosopa the sala larma yi nearby my so la ben wuhre be ma den chaka ben opportunity non bofu maza because that's what you need you know to be roma migba bugba non de silmisma borla pamba schools man because give them bon point to African history give them a life person to teach them.
Yes. So aside Lala music, ma'am, in dancing, do you do other different things apart from the deba?
No.
Okay. So ya shukurma locate.
The locate ya de Viare.
Okay.
The Saha Jisona yile.
Oh, okay. I remember in that canon and tenon so benni man that side ma.
Yeah.
Ngumde.
Lunsen, yeah.
I think I'm my location. Banda Bakana Pa. Yes. Okay, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So, you are turning it to be an institution.
Yes.
Yes. Ulaka Suranta Kapola to
Madam Kayama, Bensha Kaminonda, Benonda Kabandiji Loinga, Nezashelma, no can move forward in yet allow opportunity. Ulakarnetu, be Kamana Bretia, Alerinia, Ulakarnetu Zugi. You know, so Bison School mane de te ulama zurme kat space man and non de small tipte so can any opportunity through Nina Simone Foundation ka bo ha man kam bo ambora man o nda ba za se katreme institution because male school sha kam ba tuna kama ba 5 different universities in America ka ba students born of Canada of to study abroad.
Okay.
So but the challenges nya accommodation the space ma so I'm Malay law come as a private university they can come and study and stay there that way the be come and be safe because outsiders safety man most important so katranyela grant ma so pour meria institute ma kare tena start your first phase man in 3 classrooms with the whole big summer hat roofing and then the next thing is the amphitheater outdoor theater that hal nirban to rental nga amlen ma but denye come stadium la sabla but a very unique building katem putting man chakare it was bringing awareness to the gong music can artist steady to music ma when panel or shopro you will be comfortable
so ayer shemo ya sanma no kila nang lebe
to the location ma na warbo next to UDS ako ya UDS dure warbo konkoma tembe no dirgo
okay that's beautiful Afana West nyala then before Catalan Labna no be unlimited different music before Catalan to Afana West
so ça zomlanin sala Sala takusam lani sala sala palani zamlani sala sala palani Kavya net somya gonle net somya jangoni Toma me ban be moni Zal palani Somlani sala Ko somlani sala Zal palani Zoa manaya kagu yel mandale want to go to say mari manle Zoa manaya kagu yel mandale want to go to say mari manle Zomlani sala taku zomlani sala sala palani
Wow, that's beautiful I born amo things and numbers anto call Mr. Mohammed in camera location konto kanate display ni man nzante manager pompo ento kwa na Maria so far ananye two artists ni ambona kapte but dem arisa anye kan informa agbaza habane amini informa la kat pe nangdele okay Mr. Mohammed dimso shukurma so far bishabambe de punuma ndi tabna pungo bishabka be masti shabe punim pumpa level share kama mbana no be ho no worba share improvement bien
yes now you want the business students to have no proud pump every time how you could be outside and because several times can nirwe chef kukana kunya man kabu borna mbiane ka yelba yo yan kara bad You believe they can present you, and then at the end of the day, wow, you have a very trusted word people there. So because man didn't, if you come together, come and the yeah, because there's a teamwork in here, trust. The some scattered intertava. So tam come be chan interwa ka boy chan ban come on ban interman and wurba.
Okay. So sonto be sambane maybe in the year come on or my occasion come on I pass it through. So then ko no to do camino po hayu taba.
Oh, come on, like phone number man sometime nyele. And then but yeah to be on a different at why different things. Yeah.
So anza number ma so yanzo bi na shukurmane alan tuni o yobe so den ko endo ka
to yemandenya free.
Wow.
Shukurmane started halazon. Yeah, that's all kaule shel money playing for change ma man bana pala bijelba mbwana security na come on find a way to find a means to help the teachers to help the kids because teachers man are important. So tam come in border man free, so we find a ways to get a funding to support the teachers to make sure.
Wow, that's good. So I be sambane kawumda so how many babu dire ban shaw it's absolutely free. And I anto zan abina o te dila la te bo bank so mama so dit nan ka so be lo cheplo ka zan abina ko ya ne l'arche bien ka yor ko kan ka te den mamba different one but te den mamba free nyele o ko yimina no to song salma ka ogbaza hazu pa level share dentune bezu pa ngoma ka te bo mima you see o chama kan ban ne nunu tum bansam be an ku yisina mpa ban shakari pa zu nyele be ban shaden sande dadam bule ka ai biyar pune wallahi ka trasta nan ban shama dun to zan a chan lo shepulo anda bati hana pa shep chan shuko tepam mal bang sam pam ka tu chang chen de shere on chang ngoma doma a music yi to te zan ta London ka so yila yon ha ka tanan ne nan ban pene de pa an karabe de pa marsa ka so ya na tuna te lapsa ta hanke na so bro fana west nyala den san
to comment ku yerma ta ne sala de bisum sika le jama mal ben sha be ka de ne sal ku bisum sana le jama da minira ba miyo respect is very most important thing, you know, and that's what it is.
Okay, so number one zante so that so you born also be in Canais and ma in all of dual ages.
Oh no, the dual ages.
Okay, so anto za number one te kambora.
So number one 054
666 the bata
7193 054 666 7193
to te mbana za mpyo ngoka pu he miso wa me pam tundia luna yo chana ti dumo pu katite za enfant shel dem bien zanti sambana nam kedi o yito apu na hanka nyala dem ber pu ne pam and nek pam ko preach shepa ya let's come together, let's unite kacheka te pu biar taba katom cheka na one zamba shat tetma katabi wiljamle ti wiljamle na mama mo en cham kar nangte amfane yes on preacher shalan balama zo na on cheka ogwaza hanu yu shukul shaloma ka dichang yati za ha ne milisham ori yele to ashe kan yele to ashe de pune chong puto azu te pam ni salmi biyan songso kaman ozoma anda cheka amfani shedin te pa da gwango ma kar patma oi da ban nangle drabin pigo bin shaw o min lan nangle ma it doesn't take anything from him o kunyala onye ni voso kamine kama ngun kam deserve bin shaw de tune de pago so de tumne temine kama na unu kuzuga ozuga me bro lastly you can anyare a music from
like wula kanyare
funding
Also about music.
Okay, yes. Social media handles. Okay. So the tone ka so born onya music. O born onyele, are you on YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube Mohammed Ali do on YouTube, then iTunes. Music be iTunes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Audio Mac Marshall.
Audio Mac music.
Okay, say Mohammed Ali Duma.
Yes.
Okay, so
Spotify.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Facebook
Mohammed Ali Duma.
Mohammed Ali Duma. So all the social media handles ombo yushema Mohammed Ali Duma dinanka borne I 20 di enfant chez tenkulanta anto kwere pune ntidi la enfant ma so tipang teman kate sui yutaba kate te swang na taba kana mama swangte so ne zan pye ko ka zan pour sonte doar pyam no chena kate zan fan wa zanti jimo kate pi bol inside tamale enti yam so ma te jion apatien kan tampam so ay nan da bilgo kabe samban ka borne temina po hayu taba anto contact number ka manager di fila ka te ko hada birguma anzanzan ta kala chanve yalanga demi nang maka gbala hadul jibo ka yulu kama jima nang ne enfane zan tra ka borna asonte because data ma is not easy honestly and so you could born program mana kana ka be lol kam ka borna gbazan hazan atabazan sonte te mala 020 282 0182 020 282 0182 antu umbola namboma kama manager for you tabane ku yelde ba ishe maza di ku yer punisha ka ayen our doors are open so les emplois sont tenir comme on doit jouer tibi on YouTube kabi TikTok kabi Facebook des anto chante on follow titi ku ba program kanya jiwo kati pi bo en sa tamale wimbo na abumas les emplois sont te manager on manager Samet gare comme si malama kachi te produce Amsterdam les anto pour ka jiwo kana tibi de carrière telala on te zanji te salam alaikum.